Hi.
Hello, what's your name?
Misha.
Nice to meet you, Misha.
Nice to meet you.
My name is Ed.
Can I call you baby?
Dito basta-basta susuko.
Misha, I have a favor if it's okay to you.
Okay.
I want to create a YouTube channel and I want to make a cover song.
Hindi totoo yan.
Can you rate me 1 to 10 if my voice is good or not or better as 1?
Yeah.
Better as 1.
Yeah, of course.
I want to create a YouTube channel in the future.
Yeah, okay, of course.
Can you rate my vocal George if it's good?
Okay. Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Philippines.
Philippines. If you want, you can sing Filipino song.
What kind of song do you want?
Actually, I know Mahika. Can you?
Sure. My Hika by Agik. I'm gonna sing for you and please be honest with me if my vocal George is good or not. If I'm for you. I'm for you.
Okay.
Dahil nakuha mo ang aking kiliti, galit lang ang matamis mo ng ngiti. Nandito lang ako palagi.
Uy, sana all!
Just kidding. And please don't laughing because some people that I've show my singing skills, they laughing at me. Can you do this poker face while I'm singing like this?
What is that?
Don't laugh, alright? Are you ready?
If I'm smiling or something like
That's
don't-
good.
don't mind,
Okay,
don't
alright.
mind. Or like that.
Are you ready? Let's go.
I'm ready.
My Hika by Agik, request by Misha, my love. Babadya ang hangin na nakapalibot sa'kin. Di na merong pahiwatig.
What is that?
Ako'y nananabi, di naman napilitan. Ko lang Ay, why you don't looking at me while I'm singing? There is nothing wrong.
No, it's not that. Wait.
Hotdog!
No, you can sing that way.
Alright. What can you say with my vocal George? Is it good or not? Can I create a YouTube channel or what?
It's
Be honest with
your
me.
voice. Yeah, like your voice. It's nice, but you can. What is that? I forget. What is that? Wait.
Can I repeat again the song? Please be honest with me.
But wait.
I'll repeat the song. Alright. Can you listen again?
Like,
Let's go. Just listen to my voice. Nagbabadya ang hangin na nakapalibot sa'kin. Tila merong pahiwatig. Ako'y nananapik, di naman napilitan. Kusa na lang naramdaman ang di nasa pag-ugnay ng kalawakan. Ibon sa paligid umaawit-awit, natutulala sa nakakaakit-akit mo. Tinatangi, napapangiti mo ang aking puso. Giliw, di mapigil ang bugso ng damdamin ko. Mukhang mapapaamin mo, oh giliw. Nagpapaiwatig na sa'yo ang damdamin ko. Napagtanto na gusto kita.
yo, bro. Yes, you can. Oh my god. Yo, you make me blushing as fuck, yo. I'm red right now. Wait. I'm blushing right now. I'm so...
You're so cute while you're on blushing moment. Is it good?
Yes?
Promise?
Yes?
Can I create a YouTube channel?
Yes?
Thank
Yes.
you. How about my vocal cords? Is it good?
Yes.
Thank you. You're so cute and you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you have Instagram? Can I follow you?
Yes, of course.
Because my
You-
mom says follow my dreams.
Oh.